So guys, as you can see, this call is a fake call, it's a prank call. As you can see, guys, this call, I cannot pick this call, I can only hang up this call. So guys, as you can see, you can be able to prepare this kind of call for free with this trick that I will be showing you today. So guys, as you can see, we have a missed call. Welcome to our YouTube channel, welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video, guys, I will be showing you how you can create a fake call or a prank call on your friends or in the midst of your friends. For instance, if you are in a midst of your friends and you don't know how to escape from them, you can be able to create a fake call, or in any meeting that you want to leave and you don't know how to leave. So I will be showing you today how you can create a fake call and you can be able to answer and things, all the settings that are required. I will be showing you today on this trick. All what you have to do, you just have to watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding. So guys, please, just like the way I said, don't skip this video for a better understanding. Without wasting much time, let's get started with me. Alright guys, this is the application I have for you today. With this application, you can be able to create fake calls, and then you can be able to prank with your friends with this particular application. And guys, as you can see from the interface on this application, we have caller, we have timer, we have Jenny type, we have ringtone, we have voice, add voice, we have theme. Guys, it is a very simple application to use to create a fake call on this particular application. It is a very simple application to use to create a fake call. You can also receive SMS. You can be able to create a first fake SMS on this particular application. But because today we are talking strictly on fake calls, I will be showing you how you can be able to do that. And guys, just like the way I said earlier, if you are in a meeting and you want to just get out of that meeting but you don't know how to do, I'll be showing you how you can create a fake call even before going to that meeting. All what you need to do, you have to set up a call before going to that meeting. And all what you need to do, firstly, we have to click on this unknown in order to create our fake call. And how do we do that? After here you just have to create a name. So for instance, you can be able to insert my mom, for instance, my mom. And then next we have the number. You can be able to insert any fake number. For instance, let me use, because of this thing, let me use +1, then 70867. So any fake number. But guys, please, before we continue, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please we request you that subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. Alright guys, as you can see, we have the number, and here we have to select the country. We have to leave it on United States. You can be able to select any country. You can be able to type any country you want. So guys, here after then you have to click on this save changes. You have to click on this save changes from here, and you can also insert the picture, but this picture is not even necessary. It's not necessary. So we go back by clicking on the back icon, and then we can be able to do that. You can be able to place our code. So we place our call like this. So guys, as you can see, this is the automatic call already coming in. Guys, as you can see, this is the name we choose and this is the number we choose. You can be able to answer this call and you can be able to hang up automatically. It is an amazing and unique application, guys. So guys, we also have what is called call timer. Let's go straight to call timer. You can be able to schedule a call for on this particular application. We have 10 seconds, we have 30 seconds, we have 1 minute. Alright guys, sorry, this pop-up is coming up because this application is free and my data is turned on. We have 1 minute, we have 5 minutes, we have after 15 or other. And you can schedule a call. When you click on this schedule, you can be able to schedule a call automatically. You can be able to schedule a call. So let's go back to make a call after. So here in these orders, you have to click on it in order to schedule a call. So here you have to choose the dates. After choosing the dates, the month and the year, then you choose the date. So for instance, let's leave it like this, and then you click on OK. The next interface, this call will come in the next 30 seconds. So guys, as you can see, it's already coming in. And guys, as you can see here, you see even the call timer. Guys, as you can see, it's already showing us that we are on call. Wow, this is so amazing and unique, guys. It is so amazing and unique. So guys, as you can see, you also have add voice. You can also add a voice to your calls before making any call. And guys, in order to do that, you have to allow a permission on this application by clicking on allow. So guys, we have record icon down below. Here we click on it, and here you have to allow all the permission by clicking on allow while using this app. And guys, here you have to click on tap. So guys, here let's go back, and guys, I already have some recordings on my phone. So you can be able to use any of these. So for instance, this one, and then you click on save. So once you add your call record, anytime you create a fake recording, this fake record will this fake voice record will come in automatically. We also have the fake video call. From here you can be able to set up a fake video call, but you can only do that from messenger, and then um Skype. So this is how you can do that. This is how you can use this application. It is a very simple application to use, very simple application to prank with your friends or to create fake call. On my next video, I will be bringing a video how to create fake chat on all social media. If you found this video to be helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, comment on the comment box, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.